Welcome to my Apple Watch SE unboxing. I decided to buy this watch because I had my Apple Watch Series 3, which was aging, and I didn't quite need the same performance as the Series 8, so I decided to settle on this, which didn't cost as much. Instead of the packaging, we get the watch itself with an empty box. It was meant to contain the actual band, but since I got the solo loop, they put something in there to fill up the space. That's really dumb from my point of view because they just wasted paper. Instead of the solo loop, we get some papers and some explanation for the actual design of the band. I just think that they are a company, they are trying to make money, and that thing doesn't make sense from my point of view. We get the band inside, which looks really good. Now let's get to the box that contains the Apple Watch inside. I know I wasn't supposed to open the box like that, but I tried the normal way and it didn't work. Now let's look at the Designed by Apple in California pieces of paper. And they are as boring as always. Here is the cable, which is actually retro-compatible with my Series 3. And let's look at the watch itself. Now let's put the band to the Apple Watch. And it fits perfectly, not too tight and not too loose. Let's turn it on and it works. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and see you in the next one.